I told you. Now welcome back. This is ID Red. Sorry. Yes, ID Red. Yes. Before I go say
red. No. Now ID Red.
ID Red. It's still me, Eleno, Shaggy, Lucky Child, and Shakara in the building. Fresh skin from Kuala Lumpur. Yes. I know say I about the way they go so. The way they go so. Now, you know say they don't reject you for Malaysia that you shall not come and say kidney there. Be careful. Be careful. I'm warning you. Be careful.
The last time I knew about go for test, the father said there like 6 kidney.
Okay, on to still the Torino War matter. Don't forget if you got to what you see for paper, you hear on TV, just send that to us or send us the link for ID Red at Wazobia TV.tv, or if you follow us for Twitter to be at ID Red, and we is going to be there to answer all your questions and take up all your story. Up to the next one, the man on the street.
Yes, so still on the street thing, but this one not be street matter. It is with men. I don't know why we are talking about men, but some men are dissatisfied with some certain things. Wait, man get 3 wives for us. The 3 wives, you know, rich amo. Now you go say making go crank. Get some more runs for corner between coded lover. And then cranky end up to story that touch. We could hear the story of like.
So we know if you touch.
I don't touch. Or touch it.
3 wives don't die when in the sleep with secret lover. Oh, look, Boski. Hey. 163 years old married man we get 3 wives don't die as in they do marathon kerewa with his secret lover will be another person wife. The man named Baba Ibeji, where they stay for Okoba, Lagos State. People for the area say the man too like women, not be lie. So they change women like rapper. Baba Ibeji na landlord and na 15 children in get. The barman for the hotel talk say Baba Ibeji come as usual, pay for 3 hours, but after 1 hour, they can't hear the woman, they scream. They think say na Baba Ibeji don dey fire down. But when they go rush enter, Baba Ibeji don dey for ground, they struggle for bread. Akatakpo.
Nah, they are katakpo.
Serious wife, 15 children, and you died on a woman.
That's why they test
You
of
should be
men.
ashamed of yourself. Not be man like you, the Solomon.
Solomon Gandhi.
What are they cause the
What
man?
is right now?
this
He
one,
died,
this
woman
one,
killer now.
What has he done? What did the man
Solo
do?
gets 1,000 in all, and he satisfied all of them.
All
Only
of
you,
them.
only 3 hours of you.
Elenu.
You know how many Shakara they manage?
Solo no that kind of solo no be say satisfy all of them. The satisfaction when they talk and say if they
Oh, we know you get 1,000, and none of them complain.
700, 300.
None of them complain.
None of them complain.
they will not see their complaint.
You don't say solo on the easy. Those days na rope 9 the solo money.
If you just walk out the pass, just see one the person.
person.
Hey, who you be?
Kel.
Say I be wife now. Which number I be? 872. Raise up.
And then this man wey marry 3 wives wey still dey cheat. The reason why most Nigerians dey cheat be say if you marry very slim.
Please, out of experience.
If you marry, thank God I'm not married yet. So out of waiting I don't
You
see.
know say Shakara be like the author way right how to keep a good man, but she never married.
Now see now, man tell her now why now this man
hear you,
cheat.
they hear
The
you.
3 wives are very slim. If you not make an advice, people go for my spec. If you marry a very fat woman, you have no reason to
That
cheat.
is voluminous.
Yes, because everything full inside room.
Yes.
So when you marry 3 very few things, you know 3 self no fit raise to the power of 1.
But seriously, I don't take any Shakara talk so. That man, you don't match line, you match line. And anybody match line.
Now you take a say match line.
He
You
match
I
line.
think I say no match line.
The line match, now you drop.
Okay, now in their life again.
Something must
He
kill a
died a
man.
good death.
Something must kill a
Somebody
man.
like that, see, you know, say nobody when they write to Bishop, they say he died due to sudden brief illness. So he died due to marathon.
Marathon. What I like him or not, if you say that man no die, that the man must still die. Something must kill a
You know how many
man.
people when they tell us that man
You
say, oh
don't know,
God.
say this kind of man, if he stand for every gate. The young angel and special angel.
That is
I see they come.
Now,
Angel go say,
Angel
I see they
Cherubi.
come. Angel go say, go here.
See.
Go here.
If that Cherubi,
Don't
the
die.
woman angel, and then look at Baba Beji. Just stay here first. We'll talk about that.
And they always say that's why like yesterday we did for Kante. I always tell guys if you dey marry.
You know they go canteen.
No, they go
Person
canteen.
na book at the
No. I say if you dey marry, try marry choice and character. Because most men they marry character. They'll come go outside.
Choice.
Wait now.
Choice.
Wait now. Make I land. They'll come go outside and go look for choice. Maybe your choice now. Woman gets
okay. Spec.
Okay. You can't go outside now. You can't keep character for us. They look and say my wife. My wife now good character. They get good character, but you can't go outside and go look. Cause character goes choice.
Anyway, the way Shaggy don't explain now, so I know the Shaggy wife get better character. But I don't know about the choice.
Let me check out.
I want to thank Shaggy for giving us
my wife the
pidgin word for spec.
Yes, choice. But I don't understand.
Not choice though.
Choice. What do they mean by marathon race? A marathon Kerewa. When you say marathon, it be like say as the two of them
back to back.
Maybe when the man day up, if you don't do, if you don't tie, you give bath to the woman. She go come up.
No, back to back.
When anybody they give bath, that's relay.
Okay, so
marathon is continuously.
Don't stop.
After first cranking, when you go
so like every 3 seasons.
Like that one where Gabriel Salasi dey run so. We go run. So the people they follow, but one person they go until he can't remain you.
And see, you people should stop it. All this, you have 3 wives at home. You can't go meet another girl who go kill you. All this, especially these Lagos guys, they will wound you. They will tell you, baby, give it to me like a moving train. I am a slow boss.
Now you have now your 15 children now they drive for one house.
Killers.
As a landlord, we don't know whether now 1 house or 2 houses, but the children now begin fight property things.
Papa Beji matter for him to go and
well, as Papa Beji take do marathon Kerewa, he can go die. Now, you know everybody they like one die. Because this story will follow now. At age 92, at least you don't live your life finish.
Yes.
But before hear this story, 92 years old woman will be die. She can't wake up, can't they scream inside cold mortuary. You don't want to go. Go hear this story. Go hear this story.
It happen again on another story that 192 years old woman will be die. Wake up, come they scream inside cold mortuary. Oleketo. 192 years old woman where doctor declare dead. Suddenly wake up, come begin they scream inside mortuary. We go where? Prosecutor for Germany don't charge the doctor go court for negligence of mistaking the woman say she don't die. Now hours later, when they put her body inside refrigerated room, inside mortuary, now one mortuary attendant hears sound. As him find the bag, open am, now he see this old woman wey cut eye give am. Now the guy faint. But sad news be say the old woman don die 2 days later from her disease.
So the say the woman be die before.
92 years old.
She just wake up again to take small fresh hair for 2 days. Go die the next time.
And so when they put her for inside cold mortuary. But as I say, I don't know whether I get mortuary in the house.
See, this story is very clear. And I know that I won't believe them. After I say they negative. The woman no get heart disease. She maybe she no die well, maybe na coma. They go kind of go. They no say cold. Now they give people those heart disease. Now them come go now. What did the woman die from? She died of that cold room where the carrier go put. I don't know. Maybe now.
Say it, Pastor.
I don't know whether
what you believe.
First time when Chakara talk something, we are connected.
No. In other words, first time Chakara talk wetin get sense. Now you won't cost my guy.
Lucky child. What you believe?
After all, Basanjo was the first student for National Open University.
Yes,
always the first time.
Always the first time.
Yes, was the first student.
And he's the first one to write a book about himself, and the book sold well.
But the only truth I know for that place is that woman, that old woman, never experienced anything cool for her life. Understand? Now old woman now. Okay. Now the country they order and from village. They carry enter Korum. So when the dead body see Korum, they say Jesus.
Man, they call her mortuary so that more know where they buy turkey from. and where dead body come out from.
But seriously, that doctor when they sue now, when they prosecutor now sorry for because in confirm and say the woman die. And maybe the woman die, but when she reach heaven or wherever, maybe no be heaven she dey go. So the place that she see, she don't be feel aware. She can't get to run come back.
It's very well.
And the run come back, they shout.
And meanwhile,
or maybe the judgment where they give them, when she reach there, no favor, and actually she can't take some documents to prove to them that in my last 90 to 91 years, I lived a good life.
But seriously, they need to sue that doctor because
apart from suing the doctor,
you know,
say he gets some.
It's about long the doctor for the same quorum for 2 days.
He gets some religion for this world where we say once you buy, if you like, you do like say you just faint.
Na born on street.
The next Saturday,
born,
either they born you or they go
or
put
they
you
not
for
bury
grass
you.
straight.
Yes. And even that woman come for that religion, they for no see
for that to die.
No, as me for that religion, say that they born. That born, no, she forget up. Because they just put fire for the legs, and she go jump up.
You will run fire.
I think I like my religion. At least if anything happen, people go first cry. That one will take like another 8 hours first.
So are you saying
Only the cry alone.
Only the cry alone go
So
first
wake
take
you
like-
up.
So are you saying it is good to be poor because when you die poor, your family they're poor. They will first cry for like 2 years.
And that cry,
Before
na
they
no
think.
money to take
And
burial.
because no money. So
No,
in
rich
case
people
in that 2 years,
no.
when they think of the burial, if you wake up,
To help
What
them.
they say rich
At some
people
point in
know
time-
they cry. I won't cry. The rich man will say, as you die, I say, oh, David, you had to go. Call mom. All those processes
Yes.
at the time.
When that one person die, that one person die, they cry.
person that everybody needs that. You don't need to call anybody.
Oh, Joe. Oh. And they owe them.
That's how you die, go. We promise that master say we go pay next week.
One man go die, they go keep am for
What I want to
They
do?
will keep am for mortuary for 2
No,
years.
they can't the problem
One
when
guy
you
dey
go ground.
one guy dey mortuary for 2 years.
But
They
what
don't
kind
bury
of
am.
money
Now
that?
when
How
you
much
comot
money
for
they
the
collect?
mortuary, you go
No,
bury
let me say the guy just they don't live. Let me say they dead yet. If I say they mortuary for 2 years, just know say the family no get hope to cut
Yes, he
it.
shall get up.
They don't give.
Yes, he shall get up. The guy dead yet.
Only get up.
That is
2
the
years.
guy.
Maybe don't they do 2
2
years.
years.
Just
Now
wake up.
get up. Now let him go bury
Go bury
himself.
myself.
I want to give me hot tea drink.
No, call the mortuary attendant. Give me shock. Give me shock, Ben. I don't want to follow you quarry.
Now let him go bury himself.
Give me shock, Ben. I'll go where I go.
I don't know why today's story that's also died. Apart from the one way Shaka say his brother run leave wife because
No
he
be my
wants his
brother.
lock
Lucky
the
child
child.
area. Give me the story.
This one, I mean, they say man died because he bet 500 naira. Can't drink 20 sachets of ogogoro. This is why government should really ban ogogoro. Let us look at the story.
500 naira bet.
He bet 500 naira. Drink 20 sachets of gin. Ani Baba, give me the story.
Yes, another Torino man died because of 500 naira betting by drinking 20 sachets of gin. Bagong. One man don't kill himself after he drink 20 sachets of gin because he won with 500 naira betting. The man named na Chooks and na Baba with one wife one pikin. He go a usual joint to go drink. Now he begin make noise say he go drink 20 sachets of gin. Nothing go happen. The guy don't make noise so tey na the woman wey be say na she be the owner of the shekpe joint come challenge her say okay I challenge you 500 naira betting you no fit do 20 sachets of gin. Na this guy start he drink what he did to do the 20 dem dey hail am na he collect the 500 naira plus him own he come waka go house. Na for house the drink come begin minister to him system. He tell him wife to put on ceiling fan say be like say the heat wey dey worry am he need more fan. He come sit down directly under ceiling fan. Before they go know na then chapter end azagba.
For what?
Man are never quick to cast this man. It depends on what you want to use that 500 naira do. You will drink anything just to get that 500 naira.
But the guy, according to the story, they say the guy na barber. He get one pikin and get wife. At least they make money from him barbing the stuff.
You know
so wetin be 500 naira?
Whether they make money.
No, I don't know. I believe say the guy wan show off. Maybe they do am before.
So you want show off now?
He wan show off. If he drink 20 sachets
20
of
sachets
gin.
of ogogoro.
Gin, nothing dey
He
happen.
has something wrong with him.
But,
Your dead body need killing.
Eleno, now the angle na tell the look. I know say normally when you dey area like this, if you just bet and guy 500 and maybe now wetin don dey drink before. You know this if he take am. Because they take am small. You know say the one wey don
20
take
sachets, now that one.
That
20.
To me, I know so say reach to kill.
No, as an
No, if you don dey drink some wey
as
don
an
dey.
robo man, I do the bejo. What do you come?
okay, yes, from your
I do the
direction.
bejo.
From your direction. That is
So that thing is not up to a liter.
No, we are not arguing with you.
Shakira, they
You
drink
need to
liquor.
pour. You need to pour the 20.
The 20, you know, reach 1 liter.
We don't know the particular gin, no. I know say those particular gin where they sachet. Those ones now.
That one I want pass.
Ethanol.
Get some people where they
My people, now like this, we will take close the curtain for today. For I, the red, we don't talk about the person we run living wife because of say she born six twins. No, 3 twins. That's 6 children. And also the one we be like say the man get 3 wives, still die on top another outside matter. And also the 92-year-old woman where they put for courtroom Sorry, for mortuary for 2 days. Can't wake up, can't die again after 2 days. And finally,
and then uncle will drink ogogoro 20 sachets.
Yes, his nickname now do the bejo. Thank you guys for joining us. This is the I the Red, and like this we do every Saturday to give you a jollitainment weekend. God go bless you now. Where they send a new story. Keep sending the new story to I the Red at Wazobia TV.tv and keep following us at I the Red on Twitter, and we will follow back. But at this time, get out of here!
In Igbo, Seba.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.